Different needs of animals. Animals have needs to live and grow healthy. These needs include food, water, air, and shelter. Food. Animals eat different kinds of food. Foods help them grow and become healthy. A bird eats worms. A frog catches insects. A monkey eats banana. A cat eats fish. A chicken eats grains. A goat eats grass. Water. Animal needs water to drink. Water is also a place where some animals live. Air. Animals need air. They breathe air to live. Shelter. Animals need a place where they can rest. Bees stay in beehive. Birds stay on trees. A dog stays in a kennel. Horse, sheep, goat, and cow stays on a barn. A horse stays in a stable.